Hi guys, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cool audio spectrum in After Effects. If you want to learn how to do this simply and creatively, to get started, just click on the link in the description below. You can do this through the project file, and if you do not have any software, then you can do it without any software too, on your mobile or computer. Let's get started.
First, create a composition and name it Classic Visualizer. And I'm going with the same width 1920. Height is 1080. The frame rate is 30 and the duration is 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Then click on OK. Right click on a project window, go to import and click on files. Select all these files and then open. You can download all these file links from the description below. Then create a new composition and name it music. Then click OK. Drag the music file into the music composition. Go to your main composition and drag music composition into it. Then select the BG image file and drag into it. Now right click on the timeline, go to new, select solid and name it audio spectrum. Then click OK. Go to the effect and presets window, search for audio spectrum. Select and apply to the audio spectrum layer. Change audio layer to the music. Change the start point, click here. And the end point, click here. Change start frequency to 1. Change end frequency to 800. Change frequency bands to 55. Maximum height to 1000. Audio duration to 10. Audio offset to 1000. Change thickness to true. And change softness to 0. Display option is digital and side option is side and B. Then go to effect and presets window and search for Minimax. Select and apply to the audio spectrum layer. Change the radius to 5. Change channel to alpha in color. And change the direction to just horizontal. Then go to effect and presets window and search for Venetian blinds. Select and apply to audio spectrum layer. Change transition completion to 30%. Change direction to 90. Change width to 1. Then go to the effect and presets window, search for offset. Select and apply it on the audio spectrum layer. Then shift center to click here. Go to the effect and presets window and search for fill. Select and apply it to the audio spectrum layer. Change fill color with this color code. Then click OK. Select the audio layer. And then press Command D by Mac user and Control D by Windows user to duplicate it. And change the start point to click here. And end point to click here. Then right click on the timeline, go to new and click on solid. And name it audio spectrum. Then click OK. Go to the effect and presets window and search for audio spectrum. Select it and apply it to the new audio spectrum layer. Change the audio layer to the music. To set the start point, click here. And end point to click here. Change start frequency to 1. Change end frequency to 800. Frequency bands to 55. Maximum height is 1500. Audio duration to 100. And audio offset to 1000. Thickness to true. And softness to 0. Change display option to analog dots. And change side options to side and B. Then go to the Effect and Presets window and search for Minimax. Select and apply to new audio spectrum layer. Change radius to 5. Channel to alpha in color. Direction to just horizontal. Then go to Effect and Presets window and search for Venation Blinds. Select and apply to new audio spectrum layer. Transition completion to 30. Direction to 90. And width to 1. Now go to Effect and Presets window and search for Minimax. Select and apply to the new audio spectrum layer. Change radius to 4. Channel to alpha in color. Direction to just vertical. Again go to Effect and Preset window and search for Fill. Select and apply to new audio spectrum layer. Change color to white, then click OK. Select the new audio spectrum layer and then press Command D by Mac user and Control D by Window user to duplicate it. To change the start point to click here. For the end point to click here. And then go to a project window. Select TV file and drag it into the composition. And select the video file and drag it into the composition. Then select a cloud file and drag it into the composition. Then right-click on a timeline, go to New and click on Text. Type 00:00 and change the font size to 55. And now place it on the bottom left corner of your screen. And then click here. Hold down the Option key by Mac user and Alt key by Window user and click on a stopwatch icon. Select all this script. Hold down Command C by Mac user and Control C by Window user to copy it. And you can download all these files linked from the description below. And hold down Command V or Control V to paste it. And then press Command D by Mac user and Control D by Window user to duplicate it. Then select it and go to Effect and Preset window and search for Fast Blur. Select the CC Radio Fast Blur and apply it to this layer. And to change the center point, click here. And change amount to 69. For converting it to 3D layer, click here. And change its rotation property, type 1. And change it to 90 and 180 degrees. Type T on your keyboard for opacity. And change it to 50. And then adjust it. Go to Effect and Preset window, search for Fill. Select and apply on this layer. And change color with this color code, then click OK. Now right-click on the timeline, go to New and click on Text. Type song name and align it. Select the song layer and convert it to 3D layer, and then press Command D by Mac user and Control D by Window user to duplicate it. Select the song layer. Press R to change its rotation properties. Change orientation to 270. Press T for opacity. Change it to 25. Go to Effect and Presets window. Search for Fast Box Blur. Select and apply on this layer. Change blur radius to 13. And blur dimension to horizontal. Go to Effect and Presets window. Search for Fill. Select and apply it. And change its color to this. Then click OK. Align it. Then right-click on the timeline, go to a New and click on Text and type author name. And change font size to 63. And align it. And then convert it to 3D layer. And then press Command D by Mac user and Control D by Window user to duplicate it. And go to Effect and Presets window. Search for Fast Box Blur. Select Fast Box Blur and apply it. Change blur radius to 13. Blur dimension to horizontal. Then go to Effect and Presets window. Search for Film. Select and apply it. Change the color. Then click OK. Reveal the rotation property. Hit R on the keyboard. Change it to 270. Press T on your keyboard to reveal opacity. And change it to 25. And now align it. Go to Project window, create a new folder and rename it Data. And then hit Enter. Select all these files except the classic visualizer and drag all files in composition into Data folder. Now our spectrum is ready.
Let it go.
And that's it. That's how you can create cool audio spectrum. I hope you find this video helpful, guys. Give us a like, subscribe for more content, and leave us with any comment or any questions down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.